In this video, we'll follow a Korean couple's step-by-step process of building a heated greenhouse from scratch. While it may seem like a simple structure at first glance, the systems used and the methods applied completely set this project apart from ordinary greenhouses. The heating infrastructure, in particular, designed to allow continued production even in cold weather, is noteworthy. In the first stage, they begin by constructing the main frame of the greenhouse. In DIY greenhouse projects, a solid foundation system directly affects the lifespan of the structure. Once the main frame is completed, the greenhouse's wall system begins to rise. The wooden frame used serves as the main structure that will support the cladding layers to be added later. In heated greenhouse projects like this, a properly installed wall system plays a major role in maintaining the temperature inside. The greenhouse roof system has begun to be installed. The sloping design used is important not only to reduce the load of rain and snow, but also for a more even distribution of warm air inside. Once the roof is completed, the transparent covering system, one of the most important parts of the greenhouse, begins to be added. These layers allow sunlight to enter while significantly reducing the escape of hot air from inside. This method, used especially in heated greenhouse systems, helps maintain a stable temperature inside even during winter months. At this stage, they are starting to create a raised floor using pallets at the entrance of the greenhouse. Reducing the transport of moisture and mud, especially during rainy periods, can play an important role in maintaining temperature balance inside the greenhouse. Heated greenhouses are used especially in cold regions to enable continued production for much of the year. Especially in recent years, many people who want to produce efficiently on small plots of land have started to turn to these types of controlled greenhouse systems. Projects like these, which start with low-cost materials, can eventually evolve into fully equipped, heated greenhouse systems. As you can see, pallet boards can be used in many ways. Pallets are both inexpensive and easily converted into different systems. The next step is to cover the pallet-built floor with a protective layer. This process is important to reduce the wood's susceptibility to moisture and extend its lifespan. In this section, the most important system of the greenhouse begins to emerge. This is because a special heating system is being installed to distribute the heat inside. These types of systems, especially used in heated greenhouse projects, retain the generated warm air and heat indoors for longer periods. This helps production continue even during the winter months. As the installed heat channels are closed, the system's operating principle becomes clearer. In this section, the greenhouse's temperature control system begins to take shape. The couple attempts to protect the system from outside temperatures by covering a large tank with insulation materials. Water tanks, especially in modern heated greenhouse projects, are often preferred to store heat generated during the day and reduce the sudden drop in temperature at night. Greenhouse projects are now becoming an important part of not only agriculture, but also lifestyle. At this stage, the couple installs the chimney flue connected to the heating system. Then they test it by lighting a fire. Thanks to the installed heat channels, chimney system, and heat storage structure, the heat generated inside can be retained for a longer period. This project contains both educational and inspiring details, especially for people who want to create their own production area. For more details, different projects, and other adventures of this Korean couple, you can visit their YouTube channel. Channel links are available in the description and comments section.